Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to walk the John A. Roebling Suspension Bridge, better known as the Cincinnati Covington Bridge. Now this bridge crosses the Ohio River. It is a wire rope suspension bridge. It was opened December 1st, 1866, and at the time was the world's longest at 1,057 feet, or 322 meters, and the total length was 1,642 feet, or 500 meters. The clearance from the bottom of the bridge to the water is approximately 100 feet or 30 meters. Now, Roebling's most famous bridge is the Brooklyn Bridge, located across the East River between New York City and the Bronx. And that bridge surpassed the one that you're viewing here.